Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to hollow an object in PrusaSlicer. So this one is for filament FDM printers. So what we are going to do first is change here from the beginner mode to expert mode. I have already explained what this means, so check out the other videos. Now what we are going to do next is we will remove basically infill. So go to the print settings and then go to the infill, the second option in the left menu, and change this fill density, as you can see here, to 0%. Now go to the layers and perimeters, the first one, and increase your perimeters. So perimeters right here to, let's say, 4 or 3. This ensures that empty shell is strong enough to stand on its own. Now, yeah, basically this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.